Welcome to all-in-one creator workspace. In simple terms, it's a single platform for all your storytelling needs. We know that storytelling is very hard. It's chaotic and a stressful process. A lot of people are involved, a lot of functions are involved, and not to forget the online and offline collaboration that we have been struggling with since last few years. We are trying to solve this problem for once and all. We make it simple, easy, and fun. We bring all the stages of your storytelling at single place so that team can come together and collaborate in real time, so that you can actually, as an organization or as a marketing team, you can 10x your storytelling in half the time. Let me just quickly show you how. You can visit our website at creatosaurus.io. You can quickly create your free account by signing up. No credit cards required, so that's a great part. Once you have signed up and completed the onboarding process, you'll directly come inside our Creator Studio. It's kind of like a central command module for all your creative needs. You'll quickly see our 5 apps that we have opened as of now. Cache, that's a scheduling management tool. Muse, a design editor. Captionator, or AI copywriter. Quotes, a massive library of quotes. A hashtag, analyzer, and management tool. These are the 5 apps that you can quickly see from the quick menu, and you'll also see your username and your plan, which, by the way, I'm currently on the creator plan. You can quickly change your workspace also. You can access our apps through our App Store library. These are our own apps and our third-party integrated apps. You can quickly access your team. As of right now, I created this team and these are my team members. You can also quickly change your settings, and you can also upgrade the plan from here. Also, you can quick trial, no credit cards required. I'll quickly give you a brief about all this app one by one. First, let's go to the quotes. So we all know that marketing team loves to snuggle around quotes and browse and just rephrase, paraphrase, and take some inspiration from the quotes. So we wanted to make that process very easy. So we have around more than 1 million plus library of quotes, novel quotes or phrases or dialogues, movie phrase or amazing things. You just have to just quickly search, and let's say I want to search for Elon Musk. So I'll just quickly add Elon. And what are the things that he's been said, or some famous quotes or some dialogues, you can quickly see and browse through it. You can use this as an inspiration, and you can use it as the way you want, but yeah, you'll need to quote the respective person right here. So let's say the content writing team likes this quote. I'll just quickly save, and maybe you have a different kind of category, like maybe for the Friday theme or maybe for the Monday motivation. Let's say, as an example, I quickly save this for my Monday motivation. So a content team who is working for curating your ideas is very easy. You can curate all your ideas prior when the theme is going to arrive. So all your save ideas will be lying here in the save, so that the team can easily access. They can browse, they can filter it, and they can assign to different people also. So this is, in simple terms, it's something very simple. Quotes you can manage, and you can curate your quotes and take some inspiration out there. But taking it a bit next level, that's our AI content generator. That's our Captionator. Once you quickly come inside Captionator, you will be greeted with all our copy types material. We support currently more than 50 plus copy types, and more coming in daily. You'll quickly see your previous saved copies that you have done till now. Let me just show you and how we can generate a copy. Let's say I'll click on generate copy, and maybe you are going through maybe an advertisement or maybe something like sort of similar. Let's try to generate a Facebook ad headline. I'll quickly go through as a Creatosaurus details only, so I have copied it details, and you can add as a brief detail, or you can elaborate also. More elaborate is always a better. So what I'll do, I'll quickly just have written the details, and I'll just write down generate copy. So you'll have some credits here to generate as and when you require. So in the free plan, you'll get some credits, and if you upgrade, you'll get more credits. So when I gave this detail, we got this amazing results. Creatosaurus, the one-stop shop for storytelling. Creatosaurus, the all-in-one solution for a story. It makes your life so much easy for your content writing team. They can plan it prior for all the copy needs. So let's say I like it, and I'll just save it for my later use, or even if you want, you can just copy it and reuse it again. So it's all plagiarism free, and you can directly use it, not at all issue. If you want to get more different varieties of it, you can quickly just tweak your product description, or you can tweak the copy type, and you can regenerate it again, and you get some amazing results. Let's say rather than add headline, I'll go with the Google ad description, maybe with the same description. I'll generate it, and it will show me what kind of meta description should I use. So here it's like, these are already some amazing results that I'm getting. So this really helps your content team to, rather than starting from scratch, they can start from level 1 or level 2. So the time gets saved, and team can work upon multiple ideas, and the creative roadblock is like no of the worry as of now. So this is a really amazing tool. You should quickly check this out. You can save or copy with your team members as well. All the saved copy will be available in your saved section. You can have a glance of it. You can delete or you can share it with your team, and you can reuse it again at other places. So this is how your content team, your copywriting team can work together at same place, and they can really curate your ideas very prior, so that you can actually scale the process. Let me show you how our hashtag analyzer and management tool works. Finding hashtag is tricky. Every time you have to go on your favorite social media platform where you are posting, maybe your Instagram or Twitter, you have to again find it, you have to save it. Might be your team collaborated, what be on WhatsApp or Google Docs or some project management tool. It's always a tedious task to find hashtag. So we made the process very easy. You can save all your themes and all your group of hashtag in one place so that your team can reuse it, edit it, and update it at the same time very seamlessly. Once you come inside your hashtag, you will be greeted with the trends which are currently happening as of real time. You can change the locations in the different places, let's say India or worldwide or anything. You'll directly see the trend so that you can curate your contents accordingly, that if there's something trending out, you can work upon those ideas. You'll also see your recent save. These are my earlier recent save. So how does this work? You can just create a group. Let's say you're working for a Monday motivation like thing. So I'll just quickly write Monday motivation, and I'll also go with the like few common hashtags which we already like. Motivation would be one, definitely a common hashtag. Monday would be another common, but I'm not aware about what other hashtag should I use. So I'll just quickly go to the Instagram text, or if you have saved something early, you can also again check your saved section, or if you want to take some inspiration, real-time analysis of what other hashtags would be working. So I'll just quickly connect my Instagram account. So I've already connected my Instagram account, and then just see that what kind of other hashtags are being used in regards to motivation. So you can just search it right here, and the details will start to pop up, and you can also open this to see more details. So you'll see what kind of competitions each hashtags are having, average likes or average comment. So you can better manage your group of hashtag at different levels regarding to reach, likes or comment, and you can also shift those so that you can optimize for your reach. So let's say I already know inspiration, so inspiration is good. This shows a healthy like average likes and comment. Competition is also a bit less, so I think we'll take this. So you can copy paste and reuse it again, and so on and so forth. You can just select your hashtag from the Twitter and also on the Instagram also. So I'm currently working on Instagram, so I'll just quickly create a group for Instagram. You can add happiness, and I think this has also great balance of everything, so I'll use it. So the process becomes easy because on the app or on the platform, on the particular social media, you'll only find the amount of reach, but not the competitive advantage or the average likes or comment which you would be targeting for. So as of now, I'll only add 4. You can add up to 30 hashtags in each group. You can quickly again save it into a category or anything that you want for your later purpose, and you'll just quickly save it. So all your team member knows that if it's a Monday motivation theme, or it's for that matter any other theme, your team has already curated some set of hashtags, so they just have to reuse it again. 99% of the time this didn't get changed, or once in a while, maybe in a couple of months or in 1 month or so, you can revisit those and you can edit and update to the latest needs also. So this becomes your process so much easy. I'll share more on the further apps, that how everything of these apps comes together at one place and the collaboration takes to the next level. Once you have curated your codes, or maybe you have generated some AI content for your later purposes, and also you have generated some hashtag, it's time to design your graphics and design your content for all those combines. So designer can come at a platform and use, and he or she can work like very independently and even very collaboratively on this platform. Let's say they are designing, I'm designing for Instagram post. So I'll directly come to Instagram post. You'll immediately be greeted with a platform, very easy to use, but yet pro with all the creative features out there. You'll be greeted with our templates. Let's say you are working on some advertisement, or Christmas is coming, you can use some Christmas. Let's see what kind of advertisement templates are there. These are some really great advertisement templates. So you can just quickly select any one of them and you can start using it. Let's say as of now, I just want to go with this as a creator. So it's a carousel post. So I'll just quickly select this color. You can just go and select this. You can start editing. You'll find all sort of amazing editing feature right here in the edit section. You can change your language, even font weight, letter spacing. You can add some amazing transformation effects like opacity, blur, flip. You can also add the blend modes. You can add some amazing effects like black background blur, drop shadows, layer dust, and just as of line, like I'll just write, rather than creative, I'd like creator arc or maybe something like that. You can also select some different styles, and you can also change the color as per your need, and it will suit to your own style. You can also work on the layers, where you can just quickly guide, see what sort of layers you want to play with. If you want to edit it, some delete it, or you can just move around some pieces here and there. You can also add different text, or you can also add some combinations here. Let's say I just want to add this text, just random text out there. You can also check on our library of elements. It's like more than 2000 plus elements of variety of the size, colors, and different topics. You can just quickly go through it and you'll find endless examples here, which you can, let's say I also want to add a dialog box with this. So I'll just quickly add a dialog box, and you can resize. You can play around with the tools. It's amazing. And as an for matter, all our illustrations can be masked. So let's say this is an illustration or a design. You can just mask it and you can embed an image onto it. It's as easy as that. You can take any design and you can mask it. And moreover, you can add some amazing effects like class morphism or some layer blur to it as well. You can also see some predefined components like textures or something if you want to, if you are into that sort of matter. Let's say if I want to add some texture to this, so you can just quickly add a texture to it and add an overlay blend mode to it. You can just go to edit and you can select the blend mode that you like, maybe darken or something, or color burn. So according to your needs, you can add an overlay, would be more better in this. So we'll quickly select the overlay blur, and then you can go to your uploads if you have any uploads, or you can reuse it again. But the things start to come into picture in our app store. There are more than 20 plus third-party apps that are directly integrated into a system. Let's say you want to also use some Bitmojis of your own. You can just quickly connect your Bitmoji and then get started with it. Remember, in our captionator, we were trying to save some content copies also. So the copies will be saved, will directly come here, and you can reuse it again, like creators or all. It's like one click copy paste, and you just have to quickly go here and you edit. The process of collaborations becomes so much easy for your team, and everything just comes together at one place. Or if you don't want like this, you can generate it real time again and generate some ideas also. At the same time, if you want some GIFs, or you want to take some photos from your Google Photos, or if you are as a team, you are using Microsoft Teams or Slack, you can collaborate seamlessly here and just get started. You can also use some amazing free images from like Pixabay, Unsplash, and they are just right here. You don't need to like shuffle it here or download it, re-upload it. Just one click and you get your images right here. So this doesn't make sense, but still, if you want to export it, you can just export it. The resolutions can go up to 4K, or you can also save it for your later purposes. Or if you want to work on multiple artboards, you can use multiple artboards. Let's say as of now, I feel this is good and I'll just save it for my later purpose. So once I save, the designers works with them. Now the manager or whoever is going to schedule the post will become more easy. This image gets directly accessed in real time for them. Let me show you how. After you have designed your graphics and saved all your content, maybe generated some of them, and you have saved with your team and shared with your workspace, everyone can access. Your manager or someone who is taking care of your social media can directly schedule all those content at an amazing and easy place. They don't have to worry about file sharing, getting it uploaded somewhere, downloaded it again. It's access on cloud in real time, everything at one place. Once you come inside Cache, you can connect all your social media apps. As of now, I've connected all my 3 accounts. You can come inside accounts and you will see what all your connected accounts are there. Just a quick demo, like I'll remove my Twitter account and it's easy. I'll just click on Twitter, and whatever my Twitter account that's already logged into my system, it will just come up and we will get connected in just couple of seconds. Pop in, click to connect and save. That's it. You can connect all your amazing accounts: Instagram business, Facebook page, Facebook group, Twitter, LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn page, Pinterest, Tumblr, YouTube, and a lot more coming in soon. You can just connect and you can start scheduling it now. You can come to the Create app and you'll already greeted with the selecting your social media. You can select your amazing 3 accounts and you can say, hey world, fancy simple out there. You can also upload your custom images, but I think that won't be necessary because you have already designed your graphic and you can easily access those design in your Muse directly from the App Store. So remember, we have designed a design like earlier, our advertisement. So inside our Muse app, you can directly access those designs, like this weird design. You just click on it and it will just get added here. So no need of sharing your files or getting through endless iteration. It's just as easy as that, simple one click connect. That's it. If you are wondering, like we can also customize, yeah, you can just come here and you can just click on customize button. Everyone gets customized, each social media. Let's say on LinkedIn you want to say hello world, very simple, and on Twitter you just want to say world. That's it. But you want to also add some other details to your caption that you have already saved, so you can use our App Store and again go to Captionator where you would have saved some earlier copy types. Let's say I've already saved earlier advertisement. I'll just use it and copy paste it. That's it. Simple, no hurdles. Everyone in the team comes at the same place. You can also use your Dropbox, Google Drive, Jiffy, whatever you want to schedule. Everything sits right here in our App Store. You can also use our hashtag, which we tried to save earlier, or you can also immediately at the runtime, if you want, if you have no idea or your topic changes, you can generate it again also here. Earlier I have saved some Monday motivation thing, but I'll just copy it and I'll just add it on my Instagram. So all your themes and respective hashtags and respective post and its content is all at one place. And if in the meantime, if you don't like or your topic changes, you can just go again and you can connect and you say, let's say I'm writing on life, and you can just again start to search and you can just update your couple of hashtags on your life. So just results will start to pop up and you can see which one is having a healthy competition and where you can actually leverage your content also. So I think this feels good. So Quotes Daily, you can just use it. So you can also go similarly for your Twitter hashtags also, and you can see something of your previous save. If you want to see some of the trends which are working as of right now, so that you can boost your post. So all the real-time trends from the Twitter will start coming here. You can just use it there. You can worldwide, or if you want India specific, if you want US specific, you can reuse it again. So App App Store makes it really easy for you to collaborate across every different platform. You can also connect your Microsoft Team or your Slack accounts, and those chats and conversations will come here so that you can stay connected with your team in real time. And you can also share it and schedule it. You can share it, it will go very immediately, or you can schedule it for your later time. Maybe as of now, I'll just immediately share it, and it will be just post added successfully. Once you share your account, you'll come inside your history, and after some time it will just get processed immediately. If you have saved in your draft, it would have been saved and come inside your draft. If you are scheduled it for some later time, it would have come inside your queue. You can also reuse it again once you come inside queue, and you can also see as an help, this gets posted immediately. The status of this code will update it. So as of now, this is like processing. You just give it like couple of quick seconds and it will just get done. So you just refresh it and everyone is like done. So that's how easy collaboration becomes. So this is what the Creatosaurus is. It's an all-in-one creator workspace, and more exciting apps are also coming in. You can just visit our app store. We also have our video editor and our text editor coming in soon, so you can create your video content, even your AI blog writer at the same place and seamlessly fast speed, so your team can actually scale and 10x the process in half the time. And that's what we are here to help you out. Hope you enjoy working with us and this amazing tool out there. Please share amazing feedback, and we would love to grow together. If you need any help, you can reach out to me, or the helps are right here. You can directly WhatsApp us, or you can connect through us email also. Hope you enjoyed this. We can't wait to see what amazing things you are going to create with the product.